Okay, first of all, as soon as you get the paper, you fix the paper. First things first, you need to fix the border. So you need to draw the border. I will make the border now. I will make the border. I need to make a straight line. I need to make a place for title block. Then finally I need to make a line on the left side. Okay, this is my title block, title block and border. Now I know that I need to draw front view, top view, side view. So I need to divide this paper into 4, one for front view, one for top view, one for side view. When I see the front view, I can see that I need more area on this side, around 100 millimeter. So let me mark around 115 millimeter. Let's say 16 centimeter, 106. I will mark here, and from here what I will do is I will draw a thin line. You can see a very thin line to partition to make two separate parts of this image. So I have right side of the paper and left side of the paper. Now I will divide this paper into again half. I will take the half of this paper, and somewhere in the middle of the paper I will draw another line somewhere here. So in this case I have divided the paper into 4, not equal parts. This area is more because when we draw the front view we need more area here and less area here. So we divided the paper into 4 parts. For example, here I took around 16 millimeter from this edge, 16 centimeter, and from here I took around 9 centimeter, yani 90 millimeter from this edge. Okay, so let us start with the front view. Okay, let's start with the front view. So first thing is that every drawing should be 10 millimeter above from these two edges. So I will draw a line 10 millimeter above from here, a thin line here and a thin line here, just to show this part. What is this part? Front view. When I see this from the front view, this is what I can see. I will see this part, which is this area I can see. Then I can see this part, this circular part of diameter 50. So and the height is 30. So from the middle I will mark 30. Diameter 50 means 25 here, 25 here. So it will be like this. And from the edge it is been connected here. So from the edge it is been connected here. So this is how it will look like. In the middle there is no line. Of course there is a line that is called center line, because you have a circular parts. And this is what you see from outside, and there is an hole inside of diameter 30 you can see. So that also you must watch. Diameter 30 means 15 from here and 15 from here, 15 from here and 15 from here. That should be drawn as dashed line, because these you cannot see from outside. So this should be represented as a dashed line. So this is what we can see in a front view. So let us do that. This length is 100 and the height is 10. This is 10 and this is 100. So I am going to take this, I am going to mark it here. It should be 100. I will mark 100 here, and I know the height should be 10. I will mark 10 here. Now it is easy with the help of set square. T square. I will draw another line. I will draw another line here. Then with the help of set square I will draw the straight line here. Straight line here. Extra lines I can erase it this way. This way I can erase the extra lines. I'll erase the extra line, and this line also can be erased because I don't need this. So this is ready. This part is ready. Now what is remaining? As I told, let's draw a center line here in the middle because we have a circular part. So let's draw the center line. So center line should be in the center. So you find out the half of its center. This is 5. This is the center of it. Okay. Then what is the height? The height is 30 millimeter from the top. This is 10. So from the bottom, this is 30 plus 10, 40 millimeter. So we need to make a line of 40 millimeter. Okay. From here, I will draw a center line. Big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line. This is what center line is. And you know the height is 30. So from here I should mark 30 millimeter. I can take the ruler. And I can mark 30. Okay. You can keep it here, and I will mark 30. This is my 30. Okay. I got the height, but what is the diameter? Diameter is 50. So when you look from this side, you can see the whole 50, and from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. So this is 25 and this is 25 because this is diameter 50, and from this point to this point it is 50. So we divided half here. So 25 goes here, 25 goes here. So from here we can mark 25 towards left and 25 towards right. I made a line, so I mark 25 here and another 25 here. So I got this point as well as this point, and I got this point as well as this point. Now I can just connect these 2 points together this way and this way. I can connect it together. This is what we made. We just made this, we made this, we made this, right? Okay. In addition to that, we can draw the straight line to connect this. You can use any of the set square to connect this line with this line. Okay. I hope you understand that. Now what is remaining? Now remaining is the small circle. Look at the small circle. Small circle diameter is 30. Diameter 30 means 15 plus 15. So this side to this side, this is 15. From this point to this point, this is 15. 15 plus 15. So we will mark another 15 from this side and 15 from this side. So we got this point as well as this point. So from that point we will make a dashed line to connect till the bottom. Dash, 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 dash. Why it is a dashed line? Because that circle we cannot see from outside, but it is already there inside. So we need to use thin line, dashed lines. So since my drawing is over, front view is over, I will darken all the object which is part of this drawing. All the construction lines, either you can remove it or it's better to remove the construction lines and keep only the lines which is part of the drawing. Okay. Any extra lines you can get rid of this. So this is my front view. Okay, I can write it as here front view, FV, front view. Now as I told, we done with the front view. Now what we have? We have a top view to draw. top view. Before starting the top view, you need to project the lines. See, you know, I have took 10 millimeter, between this I took 10 millimeter, and between this I took 10 millimeter. Same way, I need to take 10 millimeter from here. So for doing that, I will take a line and I extend a small line from, a thin line from here. I will extend, I will project the line. The name of the class itself is first angle projection. So I will project this line from here, and I will project this line from here. I just project so that I got the edges. Now as it told, I took 10 millimeter gap from here. So here also I should take a 10 millimeter gap. So I will mark a 10 millimeter, which is here, and from there I will take a thin line like this to connect these 2 points. Okay, because what I am going to draw is the top view. But when I look from the top, this is what I can see. When I look from the top, this is what I can see. Okay, we were discussing about the, now we have to discuss draw the top view. For drawing top view, yes, of course we are looking from the top. So what you will see when looking from the top, the width is 100. So you will see this 100, this is 60, you will see this as 60. So we can join this and join this. So this rectangle we will see. Then you will see a circle. So you draw a center line. To draw a circle, use the compass and draw 2 circles. How many circles you will get? 2 circles. Okay, you will get 2 circles. Then from top you will see this also, this area also, right, and on the other side. So we can, this width is 10 millimeter. So from the middle we draw 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is what we got, we will see as a top view. So let's draw this in here. So in top view, the width is 60. This is 100, it's already 100 here, and the width is 60. This 60 we have to mark. This 60 I am going to mark here. This is the 60, and from the 60 I will draw another line up to here to match this. So I will make it dark so that it will be more clear to you. This dark, this I will make dark, and finally this I will make dark. So these 3 are dark now. Now what is remaining? I told from the center we have 2 circles and we need to draw this line. So let us draw 2 circles. For drawing circles we need to find out the center point of this, center of this and center of this. So center of this is 3, and this center we already have the line here. So from there, with the help of a set square, from there I will extend this center line from there. I will extend this, and from here, from the middle I already marked the point. From middle I will mark, I will do a center line in the middle, a big line, small line, big line, small line. This is my center line. Then I will take the compass. I know the big diameter is 50 and the small diameter is 30. So big diameter is 50, yani 25 by radius. So I took 25. So from the midpoint I will make a circle of diameter 50. Circle of diameter 50. Then the second circle is diameter 30. So half of 30 is 15. So I will mark 15 here. This is 15. So from the same center I will draw the second circle of diameter 30. diameter 30 means radius 15. Okay. Now what is remaining here? Now what is remaining here is that these two ribs, you can see from top we will see this as well as this. So width of this is 10 millimeter. So from the middle it is 5. So from the middle, this is the middle line, right? From the middle I should mark 5 millimeter, here 5 millimeter and here 5 millimeter, yani this gap, and from here I should mark 5 millimeter. So with the ruler you can do that. With the ruler you can mark a 5 millimeter here. This is my 5 millimeter, this is my 5 millimeter. From this point you can do the line. You make it dark up to here and dark up to here. Allah, your top view is also over. Front view, top view, I will write TV. Now what is remaining is our side view, right side view. What you will see on the right side? From the right side, yani you are looking from this side, what you will see? You will see this. This is 60, this is 10. So you will see this 60, this is 10. Then what you will see? You will see this part, something like 30. You will see this part circle. You will see the ribs. The rib is this. You will see this rib. You will see. Then there is an inside part of the circle, diameter 30. That will be as a dashed line, because you cannot see that from here, so it will be like this. So this is the right side view. Since this is a projection, you cannot directly draw it. You need to project it, as I told. You need to project it. So in order to do the projection, you have to, from this side you need to draw a line in an angle of 45 degree. This is a line in an angle of 45 degree, a thin line. Then you need to project the line. Project the lines from this. A thin line should be projected here. A thin line should be projected here. From here you draw a thin line. You project the line here, 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 and from here also we need to project. From here we will project only up to here. We will project only up to here. We will project only up to here. We will project only up to here, and the center point also we will project only up to here. From here we will project on top. We will project like this. We will project like this. We will project the center line. We will project this line, and we will project this line. So this is called projection method. We need to project all the lines from here and here, and here it makes the right side view. Here it makes the right side view. Okay, we need to project the edge of this also. What is the edge of this? Yes, this line and this line. This also need to be projected. So this is how we should project all the lines from here, all the lines from here. That will make the octave. Now we need to find out the line. What is the baseline? This is the baseline. You need to mark the baseline here, which is 60. The baseline here, which is 60. The top line here, which is 50. Okay, you already have projected the line, so you just need to darken it. You just need to darken this. We need to just darken this. From the middle it's supposed to be a center line because it's a circle. But you can see there is a inside circle here also, where we have a dashed line. This line goes here inside circle, so that also need to be projected from here till here, and from this point I will project it up, and from this point I will project it up. That will remain as a dashed line, dash 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 and dash 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 dash. So this is the right side view. So this is how we draw three views of a isometric drawing using first angle projection. The front view goes here, top view goes here, and right side view goes here. So front view on the front, top view at the bottom, right view, this is right side but right view at the left. So we always start with the front view, then we project the top view, from top view we project the right side view in this method. So that is why we need the drawing board and the 45-degree set square for this. So I hope you all can do this. Thank you very much for watching the video.